Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a video of me actually using this Presto 23-inch extra large griddle. We have loved this. We've had it about a year now. It's held up really well. The quality is so good on it. As you can see around the edges, it's got that little lip that keeps things on the griddle so it doesn't just slide off. And it's also got that little hole on the side closest to me where anything that you don't want to keep cooking, like any little crumbs or, burning pieces, you can just use your spatula and put them down into there. And there's a little tray underneath that holds them all. So that is a great feature that we love. On the far side, it's plugged in. There's a master control that, you get the temperature that you want. And as far as weight, it's about 8.5 pounds, so it's not too heavy, and it stores really well since it's so slender. I will say one of my favorite things about this is how non-stick it is. Y'all, it is truly non-stick, so I did not spray anything down. And as you can see, everything's coming up really well, and I'm able to put the little crumbs right there. I'm putting them into the little hole into the tray. So that is one of my favorite features as well. But truly non-stick, you guys. I highly recommend this product. We love it. Y'all, look how clean I left the griddle even after cooking 24 pancakes. Amazing.